They are ahead. Team Philippines, 5-3. Serving right now, Aiz Harikova. Soltones. Alaysa na naman, galing likod, sapul sa mukha, si Kapitana.
Ang ganda ng paalo, lusot na lusot sa block at sumapul pa nga sa mukha. Pulong-pula si team captain.
Ayan ang ultra fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Altera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Serving right now, Razurenkova. Soltones. Morado going to Alaysa Valdez. No way you're getting that one.
And of course, we should celebrate. Yun nga sabi ni Coach Roger, butas na butas ang Zone 1 ng Kazakhstan team. So dapat dun ipadaan ang bola.
Ito mo yung reaction dito ni Razurenkova. Nung pagpalo ni Alaysa, tumingin siya kagad kay Alaysa. Sinabi niya, tao ka ba, Day?
Akala ko sabi niya, akala ko ba injured ka?
6-point lead for the Philippines. Again, targeting the libero is okay in this case. Agno, Myla Pablo. And a free ball will come up here from Gia Morado. Kazakhstan now on offense. Again, Agno is there. Here comes Alaysa. Drop ball is good for the Philippines.
What a smart play by the Philippines. At ganda ng floor defense. Team Agno is doing such a great job. Kung wala yung mga first ball sa Team Agno, hindi tayo makaka-attack.
Kazakhstan is in very deep trouble. This timeout is brought to you by Ribisco, making delightful moments possible every day. So we try to get on Coach Roger right now.
Hey, ball cannot find if here, not here. Cannot find. Only center. Pag nag-miss receive yung setter, wala nang laglag, labas na kayo yung dalawang defense. Stop. 1, 2, 3.
Yun nga,
Go ahead.
yun nga yung sabi ni Coach tayo, di ba? Ang paglaban dapat heart strong, no fear, and that's exactly what Team Philippines is showing us today.
Alaysa Valdez just vary her offense.